Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. So, to enable or disable HD audio we need to use developer options. If you don't know how to enter developer options on your device, you can check a video at this channel, we have it just for your phone. Then, after you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the system, and in the system we have developer options. Enter here, and you need to scroll down and find HD audio, but you can also use a search and write HD audio here, and right here, as you can see, it located developer options, so tap on it. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, and once you enable it, you can swap now between Bluetooth audio codecs. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at this slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.